Hi everyone, my name's Aisha and I started Neu to help entrepreneurs like yourself launch their businesses into 2021. With everything that's been going on in the world, there's never been a better time to launch your own business. I'll be providing you with lots of hints, tips, advice, and hopefully good content that you'll find useful. If you do, please comment below, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get informed of all the latest videos that we have going on. So let's dive into today's topic, which is how to create a marketing strategy and a marketing plan for your business for 2021. It's a question I get asked a lot. My background is in marketing. I have been working in the industry for over 20 years. I've worked with some global brands and as well as startup tech businesses over the last 20 years. And one of the things I get asked quite a lot is, how do you put together an effective marketing strategy and a marketing plan? And I'm going to share some insights with you today on that. I'm going to start off with a bit of a comparison of what a strategy is and what a plan is. Now, a marketing strategy is actually the approach that you want to take to help grow your business. So it's quite high level. The aim is to look at achieving business objectives. So for example, if your business needs to grow by X% in 2021, how are you going to do that from a marketing perspective? On the flip side, your marketing plan is actually a bit more of the kind of the tactical elements that you need in order to deliver the marketing strategy. So think of marketing strategy as a high level plan, and then you have the marketing plan, which is a set of activities to help you deliver the wider plan. So hopefully that explains the difference between the two, and now I'm going to go into a bit more detail as to how you can create both a marketing plan and a marketing strategy for your business. Okay, so when it comes to a marketing strategy, we've actually linked a template below. So if you look at the description and also in the comments, we've put a link to one of our templates. A marketing strategy usually revolves around sort of 6 or 7 key points, which I'll go through with you very quickly. So you usually have a summary of all your activity and your plan. There's usually a mission or an aim that you want to achieve. So again, thinking about your business objective, what is that goal or set of goals that you want to achieve from a marketing perspective? So if it's growth, maybe outline the growth number. If it's introducing new products, then talk about product diversification. If it's looking at a new strategy for digital, then outline that as the big gain for 2021. You don't need to go into a lot of detail at this stage, so I would recommend only sticking to a couple of lines. We then go on to a SWOT analysis, and actually we'll link a video to what a SWOT analysis is, because we've done a separate video on that recently. So hit the link if you want to go through that separately. We also, within the strategy, then go through your competitors and a competitor audit. I can't emphasize enough how important it is for businesses to keep an eye on what's going on externally in the market, especially right now during the pandemic. We're still in the middle of a global pandemic, and businesses are evolving and creating new ways to sustain and also to grow and diversify. So it's really important to make sure that you have a thorough understanding of not just your immediate competitors, but also who your sort of secondary competitors are. So one of the other things that's quite key in your marketing strategy is making sure that you understand your customers and your buyers. I'm going to do a separate video on this at some point in the future, so look out for that. And what we'll do is we'll go back and link to this section, but understanding your target market and your buyers is absolutely crucial. Take time out to make sure that you do some research on that. Next is identifying your marketing objectives, and then going on into your pricing strategy. Pricing is absolutely key for your business and your products. Making sure that you're pricing competitively if it's a commodity item and you're looking at selling volume. If it's a luxury item, you might want to, or unique product, you might want to price yourself a little bit higher. So just thinking about your strategy in line with your brand and thinking about your product, making sure that it all ties together. Your growth strategy is something that needs to be considered as well. So how are you going to grow and how much do you want to grow? Again, right at the outset, being quite clear, this is what we want to achieve, and once you've got that number as a business objective, how do you then develop that and break it down into specific activities so that every activity that you're doing leads back to that one aim. Finally, looking at the marketing channels that you want to focus on, so really looking at every element: social media, website, retail, everything. So just having a list of all your channels and whether you're going to be on there or not, and if you're not, why not, and if you are looking at a new channel, how you're going to launch into that channel for 2021. Finally, make sure you cost everything up, because the last thing you want to do is have a strategy that almost depicts like you're going to go for global domination and actually your budget doesn't support that. So having a realistic strategy plan supported by a realistic budget is important. If you found this video insightful, please leave a comment, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more videos coming over the next few weeks, so we'll keep you posted. Many thanks. Bye.